I'm Dr. Randy Kamen. Welcome to Strategies to Spark Your Week. Today I'm going to be talking about how to initiate a relaxation response, which is also a form of meditation. This simple exercise can transform your sense of well-being and improve your physical and emotional health. The relaxation response is a term that was coined by Dr. Herbert Benson in the mid-1970s. Benson popularized the ancient technique of meditation through research and scientific validation. He found that the relaxation response was the counterpart or antidote to the fight or flight or sympathetic response. The relaxation occurs when the body no longer perceives danger and the functioning of the autonomic nervous system returns to normal. The body releases chemicals and brain signals that make the muscles and organs slow down. Metabolism decreases, as does heart rate, blood pressure, and muscular tension. Breathing becomes slow, deep, rhythmical, leading to diminished anxiety, irritability, and pain. At the same time, there is an increase in blood flow to the brain, creating a calming effect, and an increase in energy and motivation, focus, creativity. The initiation of the relaxation response also improves the quality of your sleep. Ideally, practice this technique at the same time in the same place every day. This is not possible for most of us, so just do the best you can. No worries if you can't do this. You can practice this in many settings. Initially, when you are learning how to induce a true relaxation response, it's best to have a quiet environment. I suggest that you silence your phone and let others know that you would like to not be disturbed for that amount of time that you are practicing. The ideal amount of time to practice the relaxation response, according to the research, is 10 to 20 minutes. But for most of us, this is impractical or even undesirable. I suggest that you start with just a few minutes. Eventually, you might find that the pleasure and benefits that you derive are so significant that you will want to carve out more time to practice the meditation. It is remarkable that just a few minutes of sitting and being once or twice daily can yield so much good for the mind and the body. I recommend that you practice first thing in the morning if possible, and if possible, later in the day before dinner. It is best not to practice the relaxation response or meditation before bed, as once you become proficient at this, you will discover a heightened energy level, and this may actually run interference with sleep. However, if you are sleep deprived, this is a wonderful and highly efficient way to summon greater energy during the day. When you practice, don't set an alarm. Note in your own mind the time that you wish to practice, and just open your eyes, check your watch for the time, and see what's elapsed. If you've not completed the 5 minutes, if that's the time you set in your mind, close your eyes and go back to the meditation. So let's begin. Get into a comfortable sitting position with your low back supported, in good alignment. Your arms and legs are uncrossed unless you wish to sit in a lotus position. If you need to lie down for physical reasons, that's fine too. But if at all possible, I recommend sitting, as there's something different that happens in terms of the brain function when you're sitting. And also there's a less of an association with sleep when you're sitting upright. Either way, practice the meditation. If you have to lie down, do so. Now, take a couple of deep breaths, breathing in and breathing out. Without great exaggeration, you're just deepening the breath. Relax your eyes closed, allowing your eyes to roll slightly upward without straining them in any way. Relax all of your facial muscles, especially the little muscles around your eyes and jaws. Part your lips and relax your tongue. Allow your face to become serene and expressionless. Allow your whole body to relax into the chair, feeling your whole body being fully supported, effortless sitting. Feel the contact that your feet are making with the floor, and that your feet are also fully supported by the ground. Remain still and notice the rise and fall of each breath without changing or manipulating the breath in any way. Just observe the sensation of the breath entering and leaving the body. Now repeat the word into yourself as you breathe in and out as you breathe out. Notice the rise and fall of each breath as you breathe in and breathe out. When your mind wanders, which it will, gently bring your attention back to the breath. Thoughts that enter your mind are like clouds passing by in the sky. Let them just keep moving through. Allow any sounds or distractions to serve as cues to bring you back to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Most importantly, just allow yourself to be in the present moment without judgment, without expanding on any of the thoughts that might be passing by. Breathing in, breathing out. Always bringing your attention back to the breath in a gentle and loving way. When you are ready, release the repetition of the words in and out and bring yourself back slowly into the room, back into the present moment, and gradually begin opening your eyes. Notice how you feel. Notice the sensation you may experience without judgment, just curiosity. Just be aware of the sensations and feelings you may have experienced. That will reveal the most important data to you. And know that the more you practice this, the more skilled you will become at initiating this response. Also, keep in mind that taking the time to sit still and focus on the breath at any given time is a form of meditation and will teach you deep, authentic relaxation. This technique and the breath work are vehicles for developing mindfulness. It takes time and practice to feel like you are really mastering this skill. Be patient. It will come with time and practice. One of the most common challenges people have is that they feel that they cannot quiet their mind and keep out intrusive thoughts. The best thing to do is stop resisting the thoughts. Allow the thoughts to pass through without dwelling on them or entertaining them in any way. Keep in mind that every time you sit and practice the relaxation, you will derive a multitude of physical and psychological benefits, even if it feels like nothing is happening. Best of luck practicing the relaxation response. I hope it sparks you into a place of greater calm, vitality, and resilience. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions about the relaxation meditation. I can be reached at my website, drrandykamen.com. And I look forward to seeing you next week for another episode of Strategies to Spark Your Week.